a superhero.
Hi, hello, namaskara. Nanu nimma xDRUMKEYZ. Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So today we are going to Royal Enfield showroom for the launch event of the all new Royal Enfield Himalayan 2021. So I think even you guys are excited for the new Himalayan. So am I. So let's not waste much time and reach the showroom soon and have a first view of the Himalayan. I am very excited about the new Himalayan and I am already in love with the Himalayan. So let's go. We need to fuel up first. So we are here at the Royal Enfield showroom. This is the showroom where I took the test ride of the all new Meteor. Now I am today here at the same showroom, the Royal Enfield Rajayanagar showroom. See where can I park my bike. So guys, here we are at the Royal Enfield showroom to show you guys the all new Himalayan 2021, and the event is about to start and they're going to reveal the bike. So stay tuned everyone.
Someone take the cloth, please.
So here is the new Himalayan 2021. So here is the all new Himalayan 2021. There is no much differences in the engine. It gets the same 411cc single cylinder SOH engine which produces a maximum of 24.3 horsepower, but earlier it was 24.7 horsepower. Now talking about the major differences, it gets a taller visor which is better at wind blast, and the frame feature attached to the front part of the tank, it's been placed a bit forward, which makes it more comfortable for the taller riders, and it gets a top plate in the rear which is slightly smaller than the previous variant, and gets a navigation tripper here, same as the Meteor, which is powered by Google. Let's hear the exhaust note of the new Himalayan. I don't think so there is difference with the sound as well. So this is how it sounds. And it gets a inbuilt 4-way switch. Previous colors has been stocked and the new colors are available. It is available in 5 different colors, that is granite black, pine green and lake blue and rock red, and this one is the mirage silver. So it's available in 5 different colors, and even the prices vary according to the colors. So that's it guys. I hope you all like this video. Please do like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Signing out, xDRUMKEYZ. Stay home, stay safe. See you until next video.